Welcome back to DriveSphere, the place where extreme machines, future technology, and raw power come together. If you love giant vehicles that redefine engineering limits, you're in the right place. Today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful machines of the modern industrial world, the 2026 mining dump truck, a true symbol of strength, scale, and next-generation innovation. The 2026 mining dump truck is not just a vehicle, it is a moving fortress designed to dominate the harshest environments on Earth. Built for massive mining operations, this machine is engineered to carry unbelievable loads across rough terrain where normal vehicles would not survive even a few minutes. From open-pit mines to extreme industrial zones, this truck represents the future of heavy-duty transportation. At first glance, the sheer size of the 2026 mining dump truck is overwhelming. Towering like a building on wheels, its massive frame and oversized tires instantly tell you that this machine operates on a completely different level. The exterior design follows a bold industrial theme, finished in a shiny industrial yellow color that reflects durability, safety, and authority. This color is not only iconic but also highly visible in dusty mining environments, ensuring operational safety at all times. The front profile is aggressive and functional. A reinforced grille protects the engine while allowing maximum airflow for cooling under extreme workloads. Industrial-grade LED headlights are strategically placed to illuminate dark mining paths, ensuring clear visibility during night operations or deep pit work. Every line and panel is designed with purpose, focusing on strength rather than unnecessary styling. Moving to the side view, the gigantic dump bed becomes the center of attention. Crafted from ultra-strong, reinforced steel, this bed is designed to carry hundreds of tons of material in a single trip. The angular structure ensures optimal load distribution while maintaining balance during movement. Hydraulic systems beneath the bed are engineered with precision, allowing smooth and controlled lifting even under full load conditions. The wheels are nothing short of engineering marvels. Each tire is taller than an average human, built with deep treads to grip loose gravel, mud, and uneven surfaces. These tires are designed to absorb shocks, reduce vibration, and maintain traction in the most demanding conditions. The suspension system works in perfect harmony with the tires, ensuring stability even when the truck is fully loaded. Now let's step inside the cabin where modern technology meets industrial functionality. The interior of the 2026 mining dump truck is designed for the operator in mind. Despite the vehicle's rugged exterior, the cabin offers a surprisingly refined environment. The color theme continues inside, with black and dark gray surfaces complemented by shiny industrial yellow accents, creating a professional yet futuristic atmosphere. The operator seat is a heavy-duty suspension seat designed to reduce fatigue during long working hours. Wrapped in reinforced materials, it provides both comfort and durability. Adjustable armrests and integrated controls allow the operator to manage the truck effortlessly. The elevated seating position offers excellent visibility, giving the driver full command over the massive machine. The dashboard is fully digital, featuring advanced displays that provide real-time data on load weight, engine performance, fuel efficiency, and terrain conditions. Large touchscreens combined with physical industrial buttons ensure easy operation even while wearing safety gloves. Every control is positioned logically, minimizing distraction and maximizing efficiency. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 mining dump truck is its powertrain. Under the hood lies a next-generation high-output engine designed to deliver extreme torque while maintaining fuel efficiency. Advanced cooling systems ensure consistent performance even in high-temperature environments. Some variants are also expected to feature hybrid or electric-assisted systems, reducing emissions while maintaining power. Safety is a top priority in the design of this machine. The truck is equipped with advanced monitoring systems, including blind spot detection, collision avoidance technology, and real-time diagnostics. Reinforced cabins and rollover protection systems ensure operator safety in case of unexpected incidents. These features make the truck not only powerful but also intelligent. The braking system is another critical highlight. Engineered to handle massive loads, the multi-stage braking system provides controlled stopping power even on steep declines. Regenerative braking technology in advanced models helps recover energy, improving efficiency and reducing wear on components. In terms of performance, the 2026 mining dump truck sets new benchmarks. It can transport enormous amounts of material in fewer trips, significantly increasing productivity for mining operations. Reduced downtime, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced durability translate into lower operational costs and higher profitability. This truck is not just about raw power. It represents a shift towards a smarter, more sustainable industrial machinery. With integrated data systems, fleet managers can monitor performance remotely, schedule maintenance proactively, and optimize routes for maximum efficiency. This level of connectivity marks a new era in mining logistics. From an engineering perspective, the 2026 mining dump truck is a masterpiece. Every bolt, panel, and system is designed to endure extreme stress while delivering consistent performance. It is a perfect example of how modern technology and traditional heavy machinery come together to create something extraordinary. As we look towards the future, machines like this will play a crucial role in supporting global infrastructure, resource extraction, and industrial growth. The 2026 mining dump truck is not just a vehicle, it is a backbone of modern industry, built to move mountains, literally. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most powerful machines on the planet, make sure to stay connected with DriveSphere for more future vehicles, extreme machines, and automotive innovations.